Hello guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you can hear me clearly. And today I'm using a different laptop. I know this is not a bit clear. Let me try to clear this camera. So we have around 8 people. So today sitaongoja watu. I'll just go directly to share my screen and then we can start. And also if you can hear me clearly, just comment down below on the comment section. Let's engage. And so give me a heads up of what we did last week, maybe where tumefikia wapi and the kind of views. Yesterday I was not in a position to come live on the stream because it was a bank holiday and we don't trade during bank holiday, and that's the reason why I didn't come live yesterday. Yeah, so I know we experienced low volume in the market, and that I didn't expect to have high impact in the market. I see we have 11 people live now on my YouTube. Can you just comment and hit that like button as we start? Okay, Alex is saying he can hear me clearly. Out of the 12 people on the live stream, Alex is the only one who can hear me. Okay. We are going to continue from where we left last week, but today is a bit because I'm going to do a little bit of deeper analysis from from a bit higher time frame. Sanjos. Okay. This is USDCHF. Since last week we have been looking for buys on USDCHF, and I said last week we had a reversal here, and then we had a fair swing, and the market is ranging between these two zones here. When you come back to 1 hour, you're going to notice something like this. The market is just ranging within these two zones. Let me try to push the at the corner. Okay, I said this. We have this reversal here. We have this order block which was obeyed, and we have the fair swing. We have the change of character, and the market is simply just ranging between these two zones because these are sell zone and these are buy zone. And that's the reason why since last week I said I want to see where the market is going to head to. You remember when we suggested for more buys, see the market is ranging between these same zone, these two zones since yesterday. Okay. Okay. Up to that point, I can't see anything. Any reversal, nothing. We can only wait for the market to break at one point or a certain direction so as we can have a clear direction of where this market is heading to. Till today, let's go to the next pair so we can be able to have insight on what the other pairs they are doing. We are got to USD card. Remember when we gave these buys since here, the market has been ranging here, but I said I'm more buyers on it because we had a failure swing all the way down. We had a market respecting a break of structures. We had a market respecting also another block on the lower time frame, and I said I'm very bullish. So allow me to remove all the trends so we can now start afresh. And if you are buying USD card, meaning also USDCHF, you are going to buy. So let's go back to, I won't change my buyers. I'll still be buyers on USDCHF because I know gold is going to drop. So let's try to look for an entry point for USDCHF. So how did I come with this conclusion after saying that we have these pair swing and change of color and have this reversal? My bias is based on correlation. Another thing that helped me in terms of analysis is about correlation. You can clearly see my bias my decision has been based on correlation. We can be able to see what is today's liquidity on this pair. Today's on Tuesday. Just a moment, I'll be able to mark for. Oh, currently the market is on today's liquidity. I was not aware of that. It's currently on the today's liquidity. I see buys on this pair. If we're risking on this, we can have a long position and a straight stop loss here. That stop loss is enough and continue buying this pair. It's an active buy for me today in the morning. And then we target here TP1 will be that high. Yeah, that's the view on USDCHF. And if you have any question, just note down on the comment section. And when it comes to SD card, has it done a break and retest? Yes, it has done a break and retest because you can clearly see. Okay, And USD I'm targeting this pair to also let note you on daily time frame. I'm not targeting this pair to buy all the way to this order block. You see this zone on daily. I'm looking forward for this market to come back. So it's going to take days for swing traders. It's going to come back all the way to this zone. So we have about how many pips look for swinging? We have around 250 pips for swinging. So if you give it 250 pips, you can give it around a stop loss of, even when you put a stop loss, it's 42 pips. So and these are swing trade. So those people who ask me, how can I be able to get a swing trade? Can I be able to get a swing trade? This is a good swing trade to get. We are targeting around 250 pips, and maybe a stop loss can be around 50 pips, or even 50 pips. Yeah, can be around 50 pips. So meaning you're going to lose, if you're using a standard loss, you're going to lose 500, and you're going to make around 2,500 USD. 2,500 USD. And those people watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why I'm doing the analysis. So this is a very nice swing trade we can be able to catch on USD CHF. Okay. USD card, we are here, and I'm talking about mobiles also on USD card. Where can we be able to get an entry on USD card? That's a liquidity area I have marked. No order block. Okay. Any reversal? Let me pin this comment just a minute, and I can see the audience engaging. Can you just comment below on those people live on my YouTube if you can hear me clearly? If you're new, kindly hit that subscribe button. This also had done breaker retest. If I'm also looking for mobiles on this pair, I'll still look for mobiles in this scenario from this particular level. Consider that's a liquidity. In the stop loss is less than 7 pips or something. So risking on this pair don't even hard, because let me show you even the risk we are putting in. Less stop loss is even less than $7. Yeah, I was aware of $7, 7 pips. So many the stop loss of, and I'm targeting that one. I'm targeting for mobiles on USD card. So the view on USD card is that way. Okay, so let's go to AUDSD. AUDSD, I'm looking forward for the market to drop. You remember on daily time frame, or no, on 4 hours, we have been looking forward for this market to come back again to this order block, which is visible on 4 hours. And currently, when you look clearly on 4 hours, we even have a reversal. What does this indicate? And let me see on the comment section. Oh, okay. Guys, I can see people saying the charts are not clear, screen is brown. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, okay. I understand. Today I'm using a different device, and I can see a lot of people that are complaining they can be able to see the charts. Even on my screen, I can be able to see it. Okay. So what's the time right now? It's 8:14. Maybe you guys can give me around another 1 hour so as I can prepare, because my laptop is at the office. So I'll be able to and come back live. Maybe it's 8:14. By 9:14 I'll be live. Let's say by 9:15 I'll be live on YouTube back again. So just hold on for the next like 1 hour. But I'm coming back live on YouTube in the next like 1 hour, exactly 1 hour. So give me just a few minutes so that you can prepare, go and get a new laptop. Another laptop, not a new laptop. My other laptop, whenever I use this, is another laptop I have it in my house, and I can clearly see, you guys can see from the screen. Okay, thank you so much for those people who have stayed tuned. I'll be back. I'll be back on the live stream like in the next 1 hour, so that I can be able to get a different laptop. Okay, let me end the live stream.